Hi all, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. This is for those who want to learn PowerShell. Now we will go through PowerShell commands. Before going to PowerShell commands, we need to launch PowerShell. For that, go to search, type PowerShell, and open it. I'm clicking on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now we're able to see PowerShell window. Our next command is stop service. The stop service command in PowerShell is used to stop one or more running services on Windows system. It allows to stop service gracefully by sending a stop signal to the specified service. The syntax is stop -service -name, and we have to give service name within quotes. And we can also stop one or more services at a time. If it is a single service, we can give service name and we can press enter. If we want to give more services, means we have to give comma separated values, service name 1, service name 2, service name 3. So the stop service will stop all the services at a time. And if you want to stop any services forcefully, you have to give additional parameter as -force. The syntax is stop -service -name. We have to mention service name. After that, space -force. So it will stop the service which mentioned forcefully. Now we'll see these examples in PowerShell. Let's say, for example, if you want to stop spoiler service, first we'll check whether that service is available or not in current system. To check that, get get service -name. We're giving service name. See, we have a spoiler service in current system and it is in running status. So now we want to stop this service. To do that, we have to give stop service. We are going to give a service name here. That's why we give -name, and we have to mention service name. Spoiler is a service name. So once I press enter, spoiler service will be stopped. Now it's stopped. To check the status again, I have to give get -service -name. I have to give the name. So now it is showing stopped. Spoiler service is stopped now because we give stopped service -name. We give spoiler service name so that it is stopped now. Earlier it was showing as running. This is how we can stop any service. To stop any service, we have to give stop -service -name, and we have to give service name here. So if you want to give display name also, we can give the display name. This is how to stop any service through PowerShell in Windows system.